Hello everyone, taking Applied Linguistics. I just took a look at some of your problem statements and have just a few comments to make. Make sure that when you do list out your problem that you formulate that in a sentence that begins with the problem is when, and then you might finish that sentence. Try to avoid questions at this point, even though you will eventually have research questions that relate to the problem. Some of what I've been reading aren't really problems, and so you need to try to come up with an actual problem that is also specific enough that you can relate to your own individual class. So some of the comments were related to the BA, and make sure that you ask yourself, kind of imagine this semester you in front of a class and this problem may be emerging, and a situation where then you can apply certain instruments in your own class that you're teaching where you're in front of a group. So try to imagine yourself in that context when you come up with a problem that you want to focus on this semester. If you want to focus on someone else, you can focus on that same topic, but you might want to hold off and wait until next semester when you have thesis seminar, and you can focus on that type of research. So remember, this is action research, and this is really looking at your own actions and the problems that you face either as a teacher or a learner. Now the problem can be from a pedagogical standpoint, so it can be a problem with the teaching, it can be technique or strategies, or it can also be from the learner standpoint, learning tactics, learning strategies, learning behaviors, certain behaviors that you feel are problematic. So I would ask in general all of you to try to be more specific when you try to narrow down your problem, and imagine yourself in the classroom as you teach the course. And also finally, you'll have to do some research and make sure you can find similar examples. Find other experts that have researched your topic. So once you've narrowed down your problem statement and you were able to find research relating to your problem, this week you'll need to upload this information in the form of an assignment in Canvas. So I'll show you how to do that from the main page, making sure that you've already signed in. Go to Modules, and for week 1 you'll see these 2 assignments that you'll need to upload. The first being the brainstorming activity, and this is simply just a submission of your one single statement, your one problem statement that you want to focus on this semester. You'll click Submit Assignment and submit the information directly to this assignment. The other assignment, and both of them are due for Friday, but you can do them anytime this week. Going back to Modules, Applied Linguistics problem. Here I've kind of explained the different activities that you'll need to do for this. The first being create Google Docs if you don't already have a Gmail account. And you'll need to copy and paste this template here to the Google Docs. And you'll need to add a link to your Google Docs here in this page. So I've created links here that takes you basically everywhere you need to go, but this is where you'll upload this information, and you can edit this page by clicking Edit This Page on the right hand side of your screen. And we're going to create a list, a bullet point list, and each one of you will have your own line. And since we're just getting started here, you'll be asked to just include a brief problem, a brief phrase of the problem that you are focusing on, and then the appropriate links that appear here. So you'll need a link to the problem argument page and the project itself. And again, if you follow the instructions in the assignment, it should be clear what you need to do. But this is the final step, is to create a link here, and this is where all of the projects will reside. And you'll notice we'll have to add here, because I didn't include 37 different bullet points, but you can add bullet points and add your name here at the bottom if these have already been completed. Alright, so going back here, we'll go back one more time to the assignment. And this is just a little bit of a background here. And these are the steps that you need to follow to complete this assignment, these 3 steps. I've also included a video here to kind of give you an idea on how to create a Google Doc and how to link to Canvas. So check out this video, check out all of these links here, and let me know if you have any questions.